Hey everybody, Tim Counts, one of your productivity coaches in the Ballantine Market Center, and I'm going to show you how to find some very good data on Showingtime so you can have some excellent conversations, especially with for sale by owners and expired listings. Log into showingtime.com. Over here on the left, you're going to go to Reports. Click on Reports. Scroll to the bottom, and we're looking at the Target Market Analysis Report. Click on that. The date range for this report, the default is a month. So we're going from February 26th to March 27th. You can do city, zip code, county. Here's the cool thing. Go to a subdivision. Let's use Tega K because I know it's pretty large. You highlight Tega K, click on that, and hit submit. What this report tells us is this is how many total showings there were from February 26th to March 27th in these price ranges in Tega K. So for example, $200,000 to $299,000, there were 144 showings into that month period. Now let's get even more specific. Let's make this the last week. Hit submit. And in that same price range of $200 to $299, there were 23 showings. Now, why is this important? A conversation with a for sale by owner. Mr. For sale by owner, I know you want to sell your home on your own. I'm sure you can do that. Let me ask you, in the last 7 days, how many people have come to see your home? Or how many people have contacted you about wanting to see your home to schedule a showing? Well, I've gotten a bunch of calls from a bunch of different real estate agents, but there were only 1 or 2 people that came by to see it. Oh, were you aware that in the last 7 days in Tega K, 23 people looked at homes in your price range, the $200,000 to $299,000 price range? 23 people scheduled and went on showings in your neighborhood. You had 2 people come by. That's 21 people shopping for a home priced like yours in your neighborhood that didn't come to your house. Now for an expired, let's say somebody just expired recently. How does this conversation pertain? Let's say they expired. Let's say their expiration date was March the 2nd. And let's go back here to February 2nd. Let's do our month again. Submit. Now, how does this help? Well, why do you think your house didn't sell, Mr. Expired? How many showings do you have? Well, in the last couple of months there, we hardly had any. People just quit calling. Were you aware that in Tega K, in the last month your home was listed, 112 people went looking for homes in your price range in your neighborhood? That's good information, and that's going to get them paying attention to us because we're hyper-local experts. We know what's going on in their neighborhood. We're showing them how that affects them in their current situation, and it opens the door for us to come in and show them how we can help them be in a better situation by working with us. I hope this was helpful. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.